Sit down. So, tell me, how did it go? It went well, right?
Bond, listen. I think you should stop what you're doing. Alright? Stop it. Just forget about it.
Why?
You're asking me why. That girl loves you. She trusts you so much. Listen, Bond. You're going to lose a good woman trying to figure out if she's cheap or not. I mean, I've been with her for a while now. She has not said one single bad word about you. This is your nonsense. Stop it.
Felix, why do you spew rubbish all the time? This is a very simple task. Well, if you're not ready to do it, then we invest the money on something else.
Oh, I'm gonna tell. True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. True love and true love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. So baby, I'm wrong and right, but I wish to be with the right person, the one for me, and the one that will be with me. I'll think of fun loving you. I found peace of mind. You're always there for me. Oh yeah. And I wish this lasts forever. Because you took better part of me. Oh yeah. And this was all I ever wanted. Oh yeah. So don't play with my heart. If you wanna love for real. Want it for real, so don't play with my heart. Play with my heart. I want it for real, so don't play with my heart. I thought our love was strong and true, but that's crept in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. With me, baby. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. True love and true love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. So baby, I'm wrong and right, but I wish to be with the right person, the one for me, and the one that will be with me. I'll think of fun loving you. I'll find
Yo, bro. Half an hour. Get something where I won't follow you talk. How far? Everything okay? You look very worried. What's up?
Bro, Irish cheating on me.
No shit. Your babe?
Yes.
How do you know?
Well, someone told me about it.
Someone told you that your girlfriend is cheating on you. Please, Bond. Don't make anybody make you lose this good woman in your life. Please, I beg you.
I mean, I've been very good to her. I gave her everything she ever wanted. I mean, why would she betray me like this?
Hold on. Somebody gave you a call or you saw it somewhere that your girlfriend is cheating on you. And you believe. Any evidence, any proof of what this person is saying?
Well, if this person didn't see her doing this person would not accuse her of doing this.
This is just an accusation, bro.
I don't think so.
It shouldn't get you worried.
But I am worried. That's why I'm telling
Listen,
you about it.
She's your girlfriend. You love her. If you think she's cheating on you, go over there and talk to her. That's like the reasonable thing to do. Just getting worked up over some news. Oh, come on, bro. How about now? Relax.
I have an idea.
Oh, good.
I want you to do me a favor.
Yeah, sure.
I want you to go to her house with some flowers and jewelry. I mean, she loves gifts. And
Okay, good.
try to seduce her. Let me see if she's gonna fall for that.
So what do you say? I should go to a girlfriend's house and seduce her.
Yes,
I'm sorry, I cannot do that. I beg. What's even give you that kind of thought in your head?
Bro, I am pleading with you to do this for me. I mean, I need to be sure that she's not cheating on me. Come on, look, I'll give you some money to, get the flowers and jewelries.
I can't. I'm sorry. That's not the kind of person I am. Will you give me the money I asked for or not? Let me know.
Well, not until you do what I asked you to.
Then Bond. Hi, Ari.
Good morning, Andrew.
How are you doing?
Pretty good.
Okay, Ari. I have a presidential ticket to go to Bahamas, so I thought you're the perfect figure to go with me.
Andrew, you and I both know that's not possible. Why would I even want to go with you?
Ari, it's been over 6 months I've been planning this. Okay, am I not handsome enough? Please, just give me a chance.
And I told you I have a man. He's perfect for me.
Mrs. Fado, come on.
Excuse me.
Mrs. Fado.
Take care.
Ari. This girl is just so stubborn.
You guys are the now. We have to keep trying.
Nothing impresses her.
Try.
Hi.
Hi.
Here. He left this at the house.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did he pick?
Pick up. No, not yet.
I don't understand. Why is he doing this to me? What did I do to him?
Marius and I think Bond is in love with someone else.
Bond can't cheat.
Why do you trust him so much?
If there's no trust, then there's no relationship.
True, you're right.
Please, can you call him? Just in case he picks up. So I can ask him what I did, you know. Please.
Still no answer. You know what? I'll come back and check on you later, okay? Please, easy with that thing. It's not healthy.
I'll try.
Thought our love was strong and true, but doubts crept in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, and I wonder if you're still with me, baby. Still with me. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it.
Hello, babe. Babe, you really need to save me. My defense is next week and I've not even come up with half of the money. Babe, please, you really need to do this for me. Please, I beg you. I promise you I'm not going to forget this. Please, babe, please, I beg you. You really need to save my face. Okay. Babe, I want to trust you on this, okay? Okay. Thank you. I love you too.
Sit down. So, tell me, how did it go? It went well, right?
Bond, listen. I think you should stop what you're doing. Alright? Stop it. Just forget about it.
Why?
You're asking me why. That girl loves you. She trusts you so much. Listen, the Bond. You're going to lose a good woman trying to figure out if she's cheap or not. I mean, I've been with her for a while now. She has not said one single bad word about you. This is your nonsense. Stop it.
Felix, why do you spew rubbish all the time? This is a very simple tax. Well, if you're not ready to do it, then we invest the money on something else.
Why are you hell-bent on humiliating this young lady? Why? Do you have to say shit? That's nonsense.
So you speak for her now. Well, I suppose you're not ready to do the job. I'll have to invest the money on something else then.
No. Are you okay?
I just want to wake up from this nightmare.
Look, I told you to stop this thing. Alright, slow down on this alcohol intake. It's getting too much already.
It's the only thing that gives me peace.
Listen, you have to stop this tonight, okay? It's not even healthy. I said stop. Hey, I said stop. Stop. Stop it. Stop. Listen, Bond, I'm done. Okay? I'm done.
Why are you shouting?
That girl slapped me. She slapped me.
Well, I mean, she's never slapped you before, and I thought you came back with good news.
Oh, and she slapped me 100 times before you realize that this thing we're doing is bad? Huh? It's wrong. Look, I've not even made any advancement towards her. And she slapped me. What if I do?
Felix, why are you stressing me because of a job I am paying you 2 million naira for? Look, if you don't want to get the job done, just tell me. I'll pay someone else. I'll pay someone else with just 1 million naira to get the job done. I see.
Wow, so beautiful.
I see you like it, huh?
I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I was really angry and I couldn't control it. I guess it was the alcohol, but I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's all good. I mean, my cheeks here once more. It's fine.
Sorry.
It's a good thing you stopped breaking now.
So, you got me necklace and flower.
Yeah, when I was coming over, I was thinking of something to get for you to make you happy. And I thought about flower and a cute necklace.
Well, a Nigerian guy getting me a flower.
What's that?
Definitely.
Is it weird?
Yeah, it's very weird.
Come on down.
You definitely brightened up my day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Help me?
Sure.
Hello, Zubby.
Shit. Easy. Hello? Babe, listen, I told you I'll call you once the money drops. Yes, I will. Let me call you back. Hey. Are you okay? Sorry. Tell me, how do you feel?
No good.
Have you had something to eat all day?
I don't have to take a break.
And you've been drinking. Drinking alcohol on an empty stomach is really bad. God.
You know, my father abandoned my mother. So she ended up dying really lonely. Maybe it's a family pattern at this point, I don't know.
I'm so sorry to hear that. Hey, Carrie, please. Can I ask you something?
Yeah?
Have you ever cheated on my brother?
No.
No?
I'll never cheat on him.
Why would he treat you this way?
I met Bond when he was heartbroken, depressed, and I accepted him. I consoled him, and we've been together ever since. I have never cheated on him, and I will never cheat on him. I refuse to believe that there's this mystery woman somewhere. At this point in time, there's just one thing I'm scared of.
Which is?
Dying lonely.
Dying lonely. Hey, Harry, don't talk like that, okay? You're not gonna die lonely. You will be fine, alright? Harry. Hey, Harry. 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 Hey. Harry. 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 Hey. Harry. Harry. Hey. Harry, wake up. Harry. 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 Harry, wake up. Harry.
Oga, what is it now? I've been in the room since waiting for you, and you're here pressing your phone. Eh? Let's go to the room and do what I came here for now.
Well, as you can see, I'm busy. I'll join you later, okay?
Let's go to the room, oh. Because when I'm ready to leave tomorrow, you'll not tell me story. You give me my complete money. I've been waiting for you now. Let's go to the room.
Tell me, how do you feel now?
Thank you. Enough for you. I'd have been dead.
Hey, stop saying that. Please, I beg you, stay away from alcohol. Okay?
I will.
You need to eat something and take your drugs.
I'll order for some food.
And no need. I'll make something for you. You need it right now.
Don't worry. I'll order for some food.
Where's your kitchen? Where is it? Point towards the kitchen. Okay, good. I'll make something for you, right? Sit tight there.
Okay? I don't understand. Like, I don't get it why I'll be in this house all night and you decide to press your phone. You don't even look at my face. Like, you didn't even bother to look at my face. You're still going to pay me my complete money. Sure, you didn't hear me so.
And how much is your money again?
50K. That's my money.
50K.
Mm-hmm.
And is that why you're shouting?
I'm shouting. Like, am I here to watch television? I don't understand. I'm here for business. Pay me my money, let me go. I have things to do.
Well, check the drawer and take out 50,000 naira from there.
I got to save you. For to scatter things for this your house. Nonsense. Nonsense. Oh. Nice one. Do I need to cancel? No.
Hey, come. Give me!
Oh my god!
You know how much is here?
Is that why you want to hurt me?
Who are you?
Oh! Please, let me have it! Stupid man! I just hope this money is complete. I too fuck up. Ah! Lizzie baby, you fuck up. Now me! Ah! Which kind of sleep I dey sleep? So this man think he can use me after enjoying the sweetness of my body, after going through all corners of my body. He ran away with my money. The useless man still chop for hotel, leave bills for me to pay. Ah! Ah! I too fuck up. Which kind of sleep I dey sleep? How I go find them? I go find that man. I will say I go use him eyes see. I go show and pepper for this Lagos. Make him just dey run, make him just dey hide. Ah, this thing they pay me. Oh, if I catch that man, I go tear him. Oh. Ah.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your phone has been ringing.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I should get it. Let me call you back.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Everything good. Everything good.
Your phone has been ringing since yesterday from the same person.
Yeah.
Who is she?
You just knew that it's she. And actually, it's the girl I was showing in school when I was in the UK. I got deported. Struggling to pay her school fees now, and it's just I just feel for her, you know.
How much are her fees?
Right now, it's not just about her school fees. Final project, all this school stuff running around, and it's just a lot, honestly.
Okay. Tell her to send her account number. I can send 300K.
For real?
Yeah.
You do?
It's just 300K.
Yeah, what? Hello? Hello? Send me your account number now. Do it right now. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sent.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for coming through for me, Annie. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yeah, come and join me.
Oh, no, thank you. I'll eat when I get home.
I insist. Come and join me.
I'm running late for my interview already.
I'll stop eating the food.
I just want one bite's fine.
fine. It's kind of one day on.
Larry, I'm
Huh?
sorry.
Very sorry for.
Okay, let me tell you, I think my conscience will let me.
Daisy.
Hey, my brother put me up to this. Listen, Larry, I should have stopped from the very beginning. I should have told you something. But I did not. I'm sorry.
What are you saying?
Listen, he put me up to this.
Who put you up?
My brother. He told me I should come here and test you, like a reality test kind of thing. What you called him and told him you were cheating on him.
You're joking. Bond cannot do such a thing, please.
I'm not joking, I'm serious. He sent me here to do all this.
Get out.
Are you?
Get out! Please.
Why have you not been picking my calls? What's up?
Listen, I'm done. Alright? I'm out. I'm done with you. Want to talk to your girl? Go and talk to her. Alright? Before you lose a good woman in your life.
Can you stop talking about someone I love and tell me what happened there?
There's nothing to talk about. Alright? I'm out of the game.
Well, if you can't get this simple tax done, don't ever bother asking me for money ever again.
Keep your money to yourself.
Walk up to me when I'm talking.
Bond, leave my way.
Damn it.
This could be true. But why would Bond do this to me? Come in. Who invited you to my house? How did you even find my address?
My grandpa once said, once a woman is beautiful, men will always find her father's home.
I did not invite you. What are you doing here?
Irene, a friend of mine who's a doctor said we admitted yesterday. So I rushed down this morning and they said we've been discharged. What really happened? Yes.
Congrats, you're right. Please leave my house.
You know what? I have a family surgeon in Saudi. I could just pay for you to go and see him. There's also this particular, heart doctor in Egypt. Just let me call him. And you
Andre, I can afford all that. Please leave my house.
Come on, don't do this. I got this for you. Please. Come on, treat me nicely. Not for once.
What the hell? What is... What's it again?
What does it look like? I want you out of my house right
Hey,
now.
hey, slow down, slow down. What have I done this time around?
Well, you're disrespectful.
Disrespectful?
Yes.
Because I don't want to seduce your girlfriend or some dumb loyalty shit thing. That's why you want to throw me out of your house. You're a very funny boy.
Felix, do not get me angry. Just leave my house peacefully.
What do I tell people out there? Huh? That my twin brother threw me out of the house. Because I don't want to seduce his girlfriend. Are you even thinking about that shit?
Well, I know there's no way that you slept in a house without, touching her.
You must be very mad.
Well, I've drawn my conclusions.
How you crazy not think that kind of thing? How you would think that?
Felix, I want you to leave my house now, because if I get back here, I see you, I'll put a bullet in your head.
Bond. So, you've been around. You've been in this country, you've been at home, and do you know the hell I've been through? Just so you know, I'm alive.
Oga, so you think you can play me, Abi? If you let say you don't know, say some shell they craze for head, Abi? Why you gonna give me 42,000?
Well, as you can see, I'm attending to somebody.
So what I'm talking about is not important. Eh? If you don't enter inside your house now, arrange my money. I go to arrange and rearrange this your house now. Complete my money, make I come for here, Jare. They tell me say they talk about something really important.
How much is your balance?
I no go school. Do the maths. So you know say you no complete, carry half money, give me. Nonsense. Madam, better collect money for your man. For sure.
Thanks for everything.
So you think say for your mind, you think say if you chop me finish, run, and I no go find you. See, let me tell you something. I go find you. I must find you. For this Lagos, I go find you. And I go collect all my money, including the one where I spent for that hotel. I go collect everything for your hand. If not the last thing what I go do, I go find you. If you like, hide anywhere where you hide. I go find you and I go disgrace you. I go to disgrace you. No worry. Just they run. But if I catch you, go pity yourself. No worry. Stupid man. You want to use me. It's chop me finish. No let me sleep for nights. Hey God. Hey, this man don't chop me or show free. Ah!
sure. What are you even doing here?
I came to get some food.
Okay.
I'm sorry for the way I spoke to you this morning. I should have tried to understand what you were saying.
It's okay.
But I'm shocked. You didn't even try to touch me.
There was no need. Believe me, he put me up to it. I mean, how would I have known you like jewelries? Even flowers? He told me everything.
Why do you have your box? Did he send you out of the house?
Yes, he did. I mean, I even came late for the interview. Right now, I'm jobless, homeless, penniless, everything less.
I'll try to do something about it.
For real? Thank you.
Don't mention.
So you think you can run from me, Abby? You think you can hide? Where is my money?
Shouting.
I have not even started shouting. I am still on the lower frequency. I've not even gone high. Okay, if I go high, where is my money? After touring with my body, because you know they waste time. Now you know they waste time. I go say I shower rude, I shower proud. After touring with my body, enjoying every sweetness of my body, you run away with my money. Not even that when they pay me, oh. You left all this for me to pay. Eh? You and who are going outside? Okay? Let me have my money. Let me have my money. My money is 75,000. Let me have it. Count it and give it to me now. What? Let me have my money, Jare. Do you think I'm playing with you? I will tear you apart if I invest that because I see them wear heels. Come on,
Excuse me.
Your shirt is expensive. Do you know how expensive my body is? Do you know how much?
Excuse me.
Oh, what is it?
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
How could you even do this to me, Lizzie?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Where did you leave this last night? Where?
Babe, I'm sorry. I swear to God, I've never done this. I swear to God, babe, it's my first time. I swear to God, I'm not going to lie to you. I swear.
Please, salute.
Babe, please.
Are you not the one I saw at Bond's house? Stop lying. You're the one.
It's my first time.
You're the one I saw in the house the night he sent me
I
out.
swear, babe, I'm sorry. I swear. Please, babe, please, I swear. It's my first time. Please, I beg you. Please, don't do this to me, please. Just let me talk to him, please. I swear. It's my first time. It's my first time. I've never done this before. I'm a babe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's my first time.
Bond! How could you, Bond? How could you do this to me?
You know what?
Like, what are you talking about?
I'll come back for you.
I'm lost. What did you tell my brother?
Ask your girlfriend.
Well,
Yeah. I'm sorry.
it's okay. It's fine.
Do you love her?
Yes.
I'm sorry about that. Did you ever introduce her to your brother?
She has never even been to Lagos.
Eh?
Yeah. I wanted to bring her before I got deported, but she said she can't come until she's done with her final exams at the time.
Well, if it's any consolation, I don't think Bondo has slept with her if he knew she was your girlfriend. I don't think so.
She's the same person that was dismissed from work because I was caught talking to her.
Eh?
Yeah.
That's why you came back?
Yes. I after the dismissal, I joined the boys in the streets. I got caught doing some illegal shit and they deported me.
Sorry. Do you want anything to drink?
Yes, please.
I have water.
Something stronger.
Hmm?
Yes.
I don't have. It's not healthy for you. Okay. Would it change your mood if I tell you that you could start working at my company tomorrow?
How?
I'll talk to HR. We'll send you an appointment letter. We'll try to get you an apartment, but in the meantime, my house is your house.
For real?
Yes.
Don't even mess with me now. Are you're for real?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey. I didn't need to get at my brother.
No. Over him.
Was strong and true, but that's ripped in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, and I wonder if you're still with me, baby. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. It's real, you go for it. Oh yeah. Baby, I'm wrong and right, but I wish to be with the right person.
The born.
You didn't tell me you were coming here.
The game was fun, right? Now you realize what I do with betting. I'm here with a fresh check for another bet.
What are you talking about?
Come on, kid, man. You joke a lot. I've won the first one, so I just want my money.
I don't understand. What money do you speak of?
Bond. See, let me refresh you. We betted that if I could separate you and your girlfriend, that Arega, for 6 months, remember, that you're going to pay me. And now that I've succeeded, you called me names. You said a whole lot of things. Problems? I've succeeded in doing that. So, why do you want to pay me my money?
But, I mean, you didn't mean that. Come on. It was just a joke.
Joke?
Yes.
Me joke? Come on. Bond, were you not the one that suggested that I bet 5 million? You know, that she can never date even me or any other man.
Oh, well, I was joking about it, obviously.
Oh, joke?
Yes.
Really?
Who would play such a stupid game? Come on.
Bond, you joke too much. Do you know why they call me Andre, the bet master? It's because I don't joke with my money. Now listen. I have this fresh check for another bet. You can take it. I could bet that she can never ever come back to you. Never. And I need my money. If you don't want to die young, pay me my money.
Is that a threat? Are you threatening me?
I don't do threats, bro. I'm a businessman. And this is business. Pay me my money.
Well, I didn't mean it.
Good luck. My money. My money.
Yeah, P. What's up? Yes, I'd like to see you now. Yes, it's very important. Did I hear him say that? Have you seen another one? Impossible. That's impossible.
Only one that you can
Only
snack.
one. If I lose you.
Like combo pack.
Get out, sir. Combo pack.
Yeah.
Favor.
I like the whole thing.
Mm.
I don't like both. But yeah. Like, what's this?
Felix,
Bon,
what are you doing here?
what are you doing here? You cannot just shut my house uninvited.
It's very important, okay? Just give me a chance to talk.
I don't want to talk to you. Get out.
Bond, you heard the lady. Push the door.
Babe, I mean, you can't possibly be having an affair with my twin brother.
Why? I chose your twin brother because he gives me peace. Peace that you denied me for the past 2 years. So I'd rather be with him than be with somebody that tests my loyalty.
Felix, please leave. I want to talk to my woman.
Don't get out of my house now.
Bond, you heard the girl. Just the door. Listen,
I said leave.
don't come any close to me, Bond.
Get out.
What do you want to do?
You get out.
Get out!
I said you.
Get.
What's wrong?
Bond, listen.
Stop it.
Get out!
Stop. You stop it. You guys are great.
Get out!
Stop. Stop it. Stop it. I said get out of my house. Get out! What do you want to do?
Bond, get out.
Get out! Get out!
I mean, you can't. Babe!
Don't leave my house, please! Get out. Take the keys. Are you hurt? Sorry. Sorry. Let me see. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you're not going to leave me too.
Listen, I'm not going to leave you. Okay? I'm not leaving you. You have to tell me something first.
What's that?
Do you really love me? Or are you just trying to get at my brother?
Where is this question coming from?
Just answer the question, Ali.
I'm not going to answer that.
All I wonder if you're still with me, baby. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it.
I mean, how can I lose on both sides? I regret having this bet with Andre. This guy is about to take my happiness and respect from me. All at once.
The one for me, and the one that will be with me. With me. I think I found loving you. I found peace of mind. You're always there for me. Oh yeah. And I wish this lasts forever. Cause you took better part of me. Oh yeah. And this was all I ever wanted. Oh yeah. So don't play with my heart. If you wanna love.
I mean, I don't even know why I staked 5 million naira. I mean, I can't believe I made that kind of mistake with Andre. That horrible guy.
Who doesn't know Andre? At least you accepted it.
Accepted what? I mean, why would I take such a risk when it involves someone I love, Ari? Come on, this is 5 million naira we're talking about. I thought it was a joke.
Sibond, you have to pay him the money. Andre is a very troublesome person. Do you understand me? He will make life miserable for you in this town if you don't pay him.
Then why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me he's that type of guy? That's why I have you, to tell me. And now I have to find a way to give him 5 million naira and still go back and fight with my brother to get back my woman.
How do you mean?
Felix lives with Ari now.
Wait a minute. How?
Well, I drove him out of my house and she took him in.
That's not what happened. I spoke to her. She told me exactly what happened. Why they for my hand now?
Well, she was cheating.
No be you send your brother go her house, go to test her. Why you be testing your game in that manner?
Well, I wanted to be sure that she was not cheating on me. I mean, it was so visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. Well, someone texted me and told me that she was cheating on me.
And you believe that?
Yes. I mean, the person didn't have any reason to lie.
Can I see?
Yes. This one.
Don't you know this number?
I don't know the number. Who? Do you know the number?
You messed up, bro. At this time like this, you're a big loser. I thought you were smart.
What are you doing here?
So you're Felix's brother?
Look, if you are looking for a place to spend the night, my house is not available, okay?
That is not what I'm here for. I came to tell you that I lost him to your girlfriend.
Well, I want you to get out. Right now. Get out!
Oh, stop
Get
it!
out!
Why are you pushing me? Stop
Get
it!
out!
Why are you pushing me?
Get out!
Stop it! Stop it!
Bond, I have an idea.
Well, I think I know who sent the text. Well,
Who is this?
use the door. Don't make me repeat myself. Use the door!
Stop it! You're hurting me! Stop it!
I have had enough today. Jeez.
You have to negotiate with your brother. I mean to act as if he has nothing to do with Ari.
I mean, what are you even saying? He would never do that. I mean, I just sent him out of my house.
See, I'm not saying that he will do it for free. Instead of you paying Andre 5 million naira, you can give your brother less than that.
Well, this is complicated, honestly, but I mean, even if he accepts to do that, what about Ari?
Leave that for me.
Can you help me talk to my brother, please?
Do that yourself. I will help you talk to Aria.
Hello.
Please, I need to talk to you.
I'm very ready for work now. Don't want to talk.
Please, it's a matter of life and death. I need you to help me. Someone is after my life. I'll pay you 5 million naira right now.
Who's after your life? Hmm?
Well, you don't have to know. Just do this for me.
I don't have to know. How less of a problem?
I want you to stay away from Ari for 2 weeks, and I'll transfer the money to you right now. Please.
Bond. Do you feel I'm the kind of person that would trade money for love?
Well,
Huh?
6 million. Right now. Just give me your account details. Let me.
Bond, you slept with my girlfriend. You sent me out of your house. And here you are, trying to strike a bargain with me. What makes you think I'm going to help you?
Well, you're my brother, so you have to help me.
For your information, I have a good paying job now. I don't need your money. I need to lock up. I need to go.
Felix, it is obvious that you're in love with her. But just do this for me. I mean, I'm sure you don't want to see me dead.
Yeah, you don't care. You have to leave.
Please.
I want to lock up. Boy,
No.
I said I want to lock up.
Andre, so you did this to me. You sent this to me. Look at it. You sent this to me just to win 5 million naira?
Are you talking to me?
Oh yes, I'm talking to you.
What are you saying?
You know what I'm saying. What you did is a criminal offense. That's not how to bet.
Well, I don't care what you call it. Just accept that you're the loser and give me my money. And listen up. I am giving you 24 hours to pay me my money. Or you enjoy grief in fullness.
So this is it, eh?
Babe, look, it's...
I thought our love was strong and true, but doubts crept in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, and I wonder if you're still with me, baby. Still with me. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, true love doesn't hurt. Oh, doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The baby I'm wrong and right, but I wish to be with the right person, the one for me, and the one that will be with me.
Bond, what are you doing here?
Look, babe, please. I am very sorry. I know I have been I've been very stupid. I've been very careless. I mean, I didn't know the value of what I had. I neglected the woman that changed my whole world. Please, I am really sorry from the depth of my heart. Please, Harry, just... Please.
Bond, you rubbished my love. Because of what? Money.
Look, I am a changed person. You have my word. I swear on my life, I am a changed person.
At this point in time, I am tired of saying this, but get out of my house.
It's me you're talking to. I'm sorry, please. Just take me back. I promise never to disappoint you again.
Get out. Get out.
Look at me. Just look at me. Please.
Get out.
Leave this now. See you later, okay?
Ah, Oga, come back here.
What?
Aren't you forgetting something?
I'll see you later, honey.
Wait. Did you just kiss my woman before me?
Who's your woman? I beg.
Listen, don't Bond. I don't have the time this morning, please.
You don't have any respect for me? You kissed her before me? What was that for?
It's just too early in the morning. I won't give you the pleasure of throwing punches, okay? Get out of home.
Bye, baby.
Bye, I'll see you later, eh?
Please, just...
Get out, my friend.
Look, I am so sorry. Please, just forgive me. Please. Look, it's me talking to you. I mean, think about all the memories we shared together. I mean, I was very good. There were times I was good to you. Please.
Oh.
Please, just...
Leave me now. Go away.
Just forgive me.
It's actually very annoying at this point. Get out.
Strong and true, without pretend. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah.
Did I ask you to collect money from anybody?
Sorry.
Babe, I'm very sorry. I've not been able to sleep or eat. Just take me back. I promise never to do this again. Please.
I have a lot of work at your place.
But... Babe.
Move my hand away.
Babe, why are you doing this? Can you just talk to me? Babe, do you want to hit me? Do you want to hit me? Hit me, go ahead. I'm trying to talk to you.
Guy, one die. Money. Bond, you'll be playing with fire.
But I told you I was going to send your money to you today.
Money.
What is the meaning of this?
I need my money.
What money? I was going to send it to you today.
Okay, you want to fight me?
Yes.
You want to fight me?
You get out.
You're not going to Beat him! Beat him! Stop! You will learn.
And I wonder if you're still with me, baby. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. And true love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah.
Please,
Hey guys.
please.
Leave it. You will learn. Let's go, guys. You will learn. My money. My money. Come on.
So,
Just take it easy. Look. I'm very sorry. Please.
just can you stop, please?
Look, I regret my actions. I just wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish you can see through my heart. I am very sorry.
At this point in time, there's nothing that can happen again. I'm in love with your brother. Nothing can change it.
But you saved me from those bad boys because you still love me. That's why you did that,
No,
right?
I saved you because you saved me before.
Babe. Okay. Tell me that you don't love me anymore.
I don't love you anymore.
Say it again.
I don't love you anymore.
Can you feel my heartbeat? I have always loved you all the days of my life. If you don't want me anymore, whatever happens to me, you're gonna regret it. Please just take me back. Please.
I told you our love was strong and true, but that's creeps in.
You have to go. You have to go.
Is
Please,
there
leave.
anything you want me to do for you?
Nothing. You can leave.
But they're going to kill me.
Nobody's going to kill you. Please just go. Go.
I mean, look, you're the only one that can save my life now. Please. Please.
Please leave. Please.
Yeah, I will leave. Please,
just go.
Can you explain to me what just happened just now?
Felix, I think you deserve to know the truth.
What truth? What truth are you talking about?
The truth is, I'm still not over Bond. I've just been using you to get to him. And I'm sorry about it. I'm really, really sorry. I know it's going to hurt, but...
Listen, what did he say to you? I know he can be very manipulative. What did he tell you? Are you scared? Irene, please talk to me. Are you okay?
Felix, I was just trying to pay back.
I know that's not true. I know the truth, Irene. I love you and you love me too, right?
I was just trying to pay back.
What do you mean pay back? Give me my bag.
Please, you have to leave.
Eric, listen. What did he tell you?
Shut the door when you leave.
Harry. What did I do wrong?
Love was strong and true, but doubts crept in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, and I wonder if you're still with me, baby. How could this be? Who I'm gonna tell? True love doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. Oh, true love. And true love doesn't hurt. Oh, doesn't hurt. If your love is real, you go for it. Oh yeah. The baby I'm wrong and right.
I don't think I've done anything bad in giving my heart what it desires.
The one for me.
But will Felix ever be fine?
I think I found love in you. I found peace of mind. You're always there for me. Oh yeah. And I wish this lasts forever. Because you took better part of me. Oh yeah. And this was all I ever wanted. Oh yeah.
I'll come and see you.
I should be thanking you, honey. Thank you for bringing light into my life. You're the glimpse of light that came around, the dark times.
If I go like this now, there'll be no life.
What?
I'm not your electricity.
Thank you.
Look who we have here. The love of my life. How are you? You don't look fine. Are you alright?
Yeah, just slight headache.
Have you taken some medication?
Sure.
Are you sure you're okay, babe? Okay, if you say so. Well, I'll be in bed. Go ahead, I'll be in the bedroom. So, I was thinking maybe we should go for a vacation. Maldives, precisely.
Maldives.
So, can you give me a date?
I don't.
Come on, just give me a date.
Yeah. We can.
Excuse me, a moment, please. What are you doing here? I'm talking to you. What are you doing here? Why are you stalking me and my girlfriend? Am I not talking to you? Just get out of this place. Get out!
John, please! Please, leave him alone. Please.
Oh well. Since you want to watch, enjoy the view.
Please. I want you to marry me.
Have you thought about this?
Oh yes, I have thought about it already. You know I love you with every ounce of my being. I want to travel the world with you. I want to create perfume memories with you. I want you to be the mother of my children. I want us to be happy together forever.
I need time to think about it. Anytime.
Don't say no. I'm going to die if you say
Please,
no.
can you stop talking about that? Please.
But I can't live without you.
I need time to think about it and I need that time. Let's go. I've lost my appetite.
Babe.
So this is the drama. Bond, I need my money now.
What drama do you speak of? She's still my girlfriend.
Oh. Is that why you want to talk when I'm talking?
And who are you?
Do you realize who you're talking to?
Who are you?
Bond, let's go. Let's go.
What are you feeling like? Stop stalking me and my girlfriend. Do you understand?
Hey. Leave my brother alone. Leave him alone. Do you know who you're talking to? Who are you?
Listen, right now, I don't know she. I know who you are. Stay away from my brother.
Really? Hey.
Stay away from my brother. Douglas, how late is that?
Bond.
If I accept, promise me you won't hurt me again.
We have talked about this already.
Promise me.
Yes, I promise. I love you with every ounce of my being. So much.
I told you our love was strong and true, but doubts crept in. I see the sign, the whisper, and the lies, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, and I wonder if you're still with me, baby. How could this be?
Oh yes, I'll call you back, okay? Babe, I have to go now. I have something very important to attend to.
I don't understand. I thought you were spending the night.
Oh well, it's very important. I will see you tomorrow, okay?
But I told you I was feeling busy.
Well, I know you'll be fine. You're a strong woman. Come here. I'll call you, right?
You're always there for me. Oh yeah. And I wish this lasts forever. Because you took better part of me. Oh yeah. This was all I ever wanted. So don't play with my heart. If you wanna love, love for real. Ooh, yeah. I want it for real. So don't play with my heart. Don't ever play with my heart. I want it for real. So don't play with my heart.
I'm glad that the whole heat is over.
Yeah.
You can now enjoy your love life to the fullest.
I mean, it's even more exciting that Andrew didn't get a dime. Help me with this.
Your twin brother played a major role. And that is more reason you have to invite him to your wedding.
My twin brother. Well, I invite who I want. Okay? And besides, I'm not sure he can stand the sight of me kissing my bride.
Bond. It's a lie.
What is a lie?
This can't be true.
I'm sorry, what do you mean? Let me see.
Andre sent me this picture and tagged 5 million naira debt.
Wait. No. Oh, maybe it's edited. Maybe it's fake, don't you? Do you think it's real?
Look at it.
No, wait. Where I have to go? Let me.
Where are you going to?
What of the key? The key. Okay, yeah, it's in my pocket.
Where are you going to?
Okay, alright, that's fine. Please come to the side. Yes. Okay. Alright, smile, please. Alright.
I told you our love was strong and true. We're that ripped in. I see the sign.
Alright, one more time.
Burn the lights.
Come on.
Think about the
Okay, last one.
How could this be?
Wow.
I'm gonna tell.
Beautiful. Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Love is real, you go for it.
We did it!
Yes, please. Listen I love you.
How much?
So much. Come on, let me show you.
So it's true. How could you do this to me?
Never. It's fine. Let me put him in his place. Never in your wildest dreams did you ever think I was going to end up with somebody like you. After all the disrespect, I'd pick him 1 billion times over you. What's that saying again, baby? Revenge is best served, what? Cold, my darling.
That's imperial.
No! Hey! You!
Hey! Just... Hey! Bond! I told you. Come on, hands off me. Bond, I told you. You gave me silver. Can I have my 5 million naira now? I told you. See? My money. Good. You didn't see this one coming, right? Can I have my 5 million now? Hey, here's my account. No, Bond, don't do this. I told you, I warned you. My 5 million. Bond, my boy. Listen, my money.
What? It's a lie. Taxi!
Do something now. You're taking my time. Nice one. Yo, bro. Nice doing business with you, bro. Stop! I warned you. My buddy. You don't listen. You will learn.
That's a bad business. Let's get out of here. Bad business.
What are you doing here? Let's go.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. You deceived me. If you did not deceive me, I'm sure your brother would not have been married to your girlfriend by now. And you're asking me to go. Go to where? I'm not going anywhere.
Am I the one that made you a whore? Huh? Are you stupid? Don't make me a murderer. Leave my house this minute.
They play my fans. I said I am not going anywhere. After you destroyed my own relationship, you want me to go where? I am not going anywhere. See, both of us, we die in this relationship together. Yes, I am not going anywhere.
Really?
Really?
Cheers.
Cheers to everything beautiful and your cute face.
Thank you for coming into my life. I mean, the best thing that ever happened to me.
Stop.
Meeting you, getting to know you. I mean, you're a miracle.
Miracle. Stop. Stop being cute. Wait.
What?
Wait. There's something else to see in all these weddings. Alright, hold your glass.
Oh.